Umintri rangba Khuborjylla Konrad ke Sangma minta kasngi ula Plie ke Jaka Pynmih ya ke Shirais ke Zero Waste Period Mission ke bedon Laitkroh East Khasi Hills District. Kini ke jingtmu ke belasdang de ke Shubham Charitable Association hapok ke Green Meghalaya Mission kedai ke beningkong akini ke than cetai lamingi ke bepelit jingut ha ke jing Pynmih ke sanitary pad ke balak pendon kambiang. Ke Shirais kamdai tang ke Jaka Pynmih mar kadai ke thong ke bekintiu ke jing khot jing subah ha ke por bapoi benai ke bayadai ke mariang bat ban kintiu ki kintai jungi da ke beple kila kilinti ki basngan bat ki bayadai bat ke mariang laong umintri rangba kini ke projek ke layok ke jing kershan hapok ke jing erap bekerpang jong umintri rangba Khuborjylla ke Chief Minister Special Grant ke balong sanlak tingka ke bala pendon kam na ke benta banthet iki mesin bat kitiar ke bedon kam haduk menta kini ke jing temu ke lathaulat ban yok kam yok jam na ke benta palat arpesan ngut ki kentai habaya ro ik jing treshitom jong ke Shubham Charitable Association umintri rangba ula pentip pe kini ke projek en senang penhek shushu bat en sarak syakeling ke jela Meghalaya ngi thrang ban penyari kini ke jingtmu syeki wepat ki benta jong Khuborjylla bat ban pencelur syuk ye ki seng balai alam de ki kentai ban ya don benta lang ha kini ke kam tang bekeni kan thau kam thau jam Henry kan yerap ru ban penbet renti ye ke jing kren ha keleng ki Jaka ha ke bedai be ke jing khot jing suba ha ke por bapoi benai bat ban penti kena ba onum don ke wei ru ke kena kentai ke ban sha ino namar ke jing bam yo ik jing smar bakongsan ulaong Mula pentip ru baka sorkar kadang bay tingka na kebenta ki mesin bande ki sanitary pad ha ki skul bat ketemu ban wanra ki sanitary pad ki bala ban pendon kambiang ha keleng ki Jaka puli da ka jinge trelang bat ketenat education bat ke social welfare.
Because this is a CM Connect program where we talk less and we listen more. And we give time to the people to listen, to speak more, and to express their concerns and their problems and their suggestions. While I say this, we had started this program last year. And in the beginning, there was some negativity, some level of fear and some concern from government side about these programs. But as we are moving forward and having these programs on a regular basis, I'm seeing a sense of positivity coming out. We have to remember this is not a program to blame someone. This is not a program to find mistakes in somebody. But this is a program to give an opportunity for all of us to make things better. We are all human beings. We could all make mistakes. But we also should be given the opportunity to correct those mistakes, find solutions, and positively move forward. I was very happy when Gavin time and again has been requesting me to come here to Shillong, Laitkroh block to have this. He's been asking for the last almost 8 months now. And I'm so happy that Matthew today in public has requested this program to be held in Mopla. I'm telling you, I have seen the small differences this program makes. It increases accountability. It increases the overall responsiveness of the government and the entire administration. It ensures that we are able to provide the services and do the small things that sometimes we just miss out. and may just require a program like this. I thank all the officers of all the different departments. This is our program. We all are part of this. We all take responsibility together. It's not about you or your department having been questioned or you being put on the spot. We are being put in the spot. We will face the questions and problems together standing here. Just so happens you know more than me in your department, and that's why I need your help to answer the questions. That's all it is. And we will try our best to respond to as many questions as possible and note down the suggestions and figure out how we can resolve problems in the days to come.